In this video, I'll show you how to fix common Kling AI video generation problems and get your video generation working properly. First, check whether the problem happens with one specific prompt or with every video you try to generate. This helps you understand whether the issue is related to your prompt or the generation system. If Kling AI is not generating a video, start by checking your internet connection. Make sure your connection is stable and try refreshing the page. Next, check your account and make sure you are properly signed in. If the session has expired, sign in again and try generating the video. If the generation gets stuck or takes unusually long, wait for a while and then refresh the page. You can also try creating a new generation with a simpler prompt. Another common problem can be an overly complicated prompt. If your prompt contains too many subjects, actions, or camera movements, simplify it and focus on one clear scene. For image-to-video problems, check your source image. Make sure the image is clear, high quality, and supported by the workflow you are using. Try another image if the current one is causing problems. If the generated video has strange movements, distorted objects, or inconsistent characters, review your prompt and reduce the number of complicated actions. Describe natural movement and make your instructions more specific. If the video quality is lower than expected, start with a better source image and improve your prompt. Also review the available generation settings and choose the appropriate quality options. If Kling AI is not responding correctly in your browser, try refreshing the page, clearing temporary browser data, or opening Kling AI in another supported browser. You can also check whether the problem is temporary by trying again later. Sometimes generation services can experience high demand or temporary technical issues. Before trying many changes at once, test one solution at a time.